collector edition. Okay, so first I'm gonna be showing off my most first ever fidgets. I got this one like a few days ago. This one a few weeks. These two a few weeks because they came with each other. And then I got this a few months, so they're really old. Oh, and happy Halloween, because Halloween is, I forgot, this month, not this month. After this month, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be Halloween. But Halloween's coming up, so comment down below what are you going to be for Halloween. I think I might be Harley Quinn because I watch all the movies. And then I got this a few days ago. And then this a few weeks. The snapper very old, a few years. And comment down below if you know this. As a fidget collector, I just bought these, but I can tell they're fidgets. Got these with this. I love these. Okay, I'm just gonna say these are very old, but I still like them. Wacky Track came. All of these came with all of them. But I'm just saying, I got this. I got this. No, I got this. These three. These came with this. And I'm also going to be making a video where you can get fidgets, so stay tuned. These are very, very playful. They feel like worms to me. Like when I'm doing videos, I put them in the water, it feels like worms. Not that I ever felt a worm. Well, I have. One time when I went fishing. But I hope all of y'all have a great day. And do not mind this. I drew this, but it didn't go well as I planned. So I do not mind that. And then I have these paper. I forgot what they're called. I made them yesterday. I love this one. That might be the littlest. They're so pretty and all. And I'm also going to ask my grandma for a pop-it phone case. And let's see if it happens. Also, I love these ones right here, these two, because they're very big. And also that I just love, if y'all know what this is, I forgot, it's like a type of food, but it's very cute. I love the little cheeks and stuff. This one is sweet. And then this one is like kind of like a sheep. I do not know what to call it. I love this one because it has different eyes. I went all out for this one. But yeah, I made them. And this one over here, I love. Like, when I'm mad, I turn it to the blue side. But I'm happy today. In all my videos, y'all might see my thing upside down to the mat because I'm a little man in all my videos. But you guys make me happy, so don't get away about it. Okay, now I'm gonna put all these back in up, and this might be very hard to get out. I hope the camera doesn't fall on me. Oh wow, did one of them pop? Oh my god. I feel like one of them popped. There's water in here. Is this one the pop? This one is my littlest one. I'm also gonna be making a video, so I cannot show too much. I feel like it's coming from this way. Chico. If y'all know me well, if I do the video, a video that I'm gonna be making, y'all should know. So I'm just gonna put that up. Do not want to have water all over my floor. So now let's put all of my stuff back in. This one goes back up here. Okay, pop it. Right there. Oh no. Right there. I forgot what this card. I'm just gonna call them rings for today's video. Marble Mash, you can see I took the ball off that, but I don't know what so. And monkey doodles. Some dimple. And also this. Please comment what video you want me to do next, because I am all out of plans. So if you have anything you want me to do, I'll do it. Want me to go to the park? I'll go. So these. If you really know me well, I used to do dancing videos, but I'm over that. And if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Olivia, and I am a fidget creator, and I also go get fidgets. And like, if you know what I'm trying to say, you know. Okay, I'm a fidget, I forgot what I am. Okay, now I am going to just go places, or I might go to the fidget hall, or I might get my friend. She doesn't talk in my videos at all. She just gets on her phone. She's also a fidget creator. I forgot what's her TikTok, but we go to school together. She's more of a dancer. Yeah, she likes dancing. Yeah, I don't think she's a fidget creator. She's a dancer, definitely. So I would love to make a shout out about her. So she never comments on my videos exactly, because she does not know that I don't. She does not know that I have all of this. She does not know. I just go to school with her, and she barely knows my mom. And I'd be scared if she comes to my house, because she's like, let's just say she's more of a, okay, this is how to say it. She's like a dancer kind of source thingy. She loves dancing. That's how I know about her. She loves doing that. And I am just something. I love doing everything simple and easy. School, I cannot go to school because I am not feeling good. I feel terrible. If you see my dance videos, you can see close on my eye that there's like a rash or something. So that's why I put it to oh no. Okay. Stay there. I put it to that because I'm not that. I'm sad. I feel like I love the pink and the blue. Like I put the blue as sad because like I don't like the eyes. If the eyes would change, like baby-fied, it would be more happy. And also, these right here, I love the baby blue. I love it so much. And I'm also going to make videos with them in it so you can actually see them. But this video was just about knowing me well, and you know, I love to stay, but I have to go pick up Angie because she's like my best friend, and I cannot leave a girl hanging. So, bye.